Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how I can get free items on Roblox. Make sure to subscribe to this channel if you will find this guide useful. Now, go ahead to the game called PK and launch it. Once you will launch it, you will be redirected to this page, and you want to go ahead to the middle game, which is called Team Game, because it is the most easiest to play. You will need 6 players to play it, and basically you will need to just go ahead and pick rabbits, and after that you will get your points. So the white rabbit is maybe 1 point, but the yellow one gets you more, so make sure you pick those yellow rabbits. And it doesn't really matter that your team will not win, you will still get that item, which I'm going to show you just in a second. So once you have done that, you go ahead to claim it right there where I am now. And once you will claim it, you will get this beautiful item. Now, another game would be Roblox Innovation Awards 2024. Make sure to write that down. And launch the first one right there. Now the voting is not available anymore, but you need to wait like 2 days, I believe. And here you want to go ahead and check those prizes that you can get for free by voting and winning. So you want to go ahead to the items. Here they are. So 10 points for this one, 125 for this hat, and you can go ahead and claim them after you won the prediction. Look at the predictions every time. As you can see, the voting has now ended, but you can still go ahead and play it after some time. Now, after this, you want to go ahead to the game called Nerf Island. Here you will need to go ahead and shoot some things and basically complete some tasks. It will take a little bit of time, but you will get a really cool emotes for free when you have around 1000 points. You can go ahead to the Nerf shop and look at those tickets and what you will get for it. Now, if this video was helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.